Hello there, friends. I am so glad you stopped by. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for a Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I quickly show you all the cards that I made throughout the week. All the links are in the description box below to either the blog post or the video that tells all the details about them if you want more information. This Saturday Showcase is from November 20th through November 26th. I don't really have a ton to show this week because I was busy doing family things and stencil videos, so not a lot of cards, but I do have a few, so let's get started. First up, I have this card for the Craft and Kimmy Saturday Challenge, which was monochromatic colors. Normally I shy away from these kind of challenges, but I decided to just embrace it and run with it. And I have to say, I like how it turned out with all these different greens. And the stamp set is from Craft and Kimmy and is called Lookin' Sharp. And I did some paper piecing on the pots to match. So I was pleased that I went ahead and tried my best to do that challenge. Next up, I have this cute little snowman. This is a digital stamp set from TLC Designs called Snow Buddies. Got his little squirrel and his little friend bird there. All of the products are from TLC Designs. Super, super duper cute. I really do like this die. I can't think of the name of it offhand, but again, everything is listed in the description box below. Next up was the Craft and Kimmy Christmas challenge. Every Sunday they have a Christmas challenge. This last week it was gingerbread. I have the new gingerbread set coming to me, but I didn't have it yet. So I looked through my stash and I found this little itty bitty gingerbread in the Crafty Elves stamp set, along with the Christmas candy stencil. So I have those. I also used some chipboard and added some stickles to it. This is also from Craft and Kimmy. It was an add-on bundle earlier in the year. I'm not sure the exact one, but I like how that turned out. Very, very sparkly. And I like how it was on the craft cardstock. Just lots of fun. And again, if you don't know, I decorate the insides of my cards usually with like a stamped image or patterned paper. Super fun. I forgot to mention I do have one card that I made this week that I cannot share because I've already mailed it out. And that was from when I was a guest with Call Me Crafty Owl for her Oh So Inspired series. It was a live crafting session, and that link is in the description below. It was a lot of fun, but I have already mailed my card to the winner of that. And then last but not least, I have my Sheetload of Cards. Not spending a lot of time on this as there is a video of it, but if you missed that video, it is also linked in the description box below. These were the May 2021 Sheetload of Cards, and this cute bear is from Not Too Shabby's Box of the Month Arctic Winter from November 2021. At the time of making this video, I think there was only a couple left. So if you want this, you might want to run over there and grab it. Super, super cute. I just love him. And I really, really like how these cards turned out. And so that's all I have for you today for my showcase. Like I said, it was just kind of an off week. I wasn't as creative as I have been in other weeks, but still had lots of fun. Had some good food, got to spend time with my family, and now I'm excited for the next couple of weeks before we do Christmas so that I can get crafty again. I'm super excited because I got an early Christmas present and it just arrived today. I got a scan and cut. I've been on the fence about it for years, so I'm excited to be playing with that. And I also will have at least another stencil video up today and tomorrow. And then I have a few more in my mind. We'll see if I get them done. So until my next video, go do something for yourself, go crafty shopping, or get crafty or just sit back and relax. Enjoy your day and come back probably in a few hours to check out my next stencil video. Have a great day.